Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can move multiple apps on your iPhone home screen at once. So to do it, you're just going to select just one app first. And you're going to select the edit home screen or until this shakes. You're going to select one of just the app, and then you're going to select another app with your other hand. And you're going to move it maybe to the left side and then just place it, and it's going to move all of your apps at once. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.